President Barack Obama has attended a campaign rally in North Carolina for presidential nominee Hillary Clinton, where he urged voters to reject the dark side of America. Referring to Clinton's rival Donald Trump, Obama said his crude comments about women that he used on a video would disqualify the billionaire from even a job at a convenience store.
You can reject a dark and pessimistic vision of a country where we turn against each other and turn away from our role as leaders in the world. You can reject fear and resentment and blame and anger and hate and choose the America we know, an America that's full of courage and optimism and generosity and ingenuity.
At one point, protesters interrupted Obama, some wearing shirts that proclaimed Bill Clinton rapists. Pundits say the race for the White House hit a new low on Sunday in a bitter TV debate which included personal attacks on both sides. With Clinton pulling ahead, her team says it's preparing for another mudslinging match next week.
Don't move. Okay.